This is our peelable body armor. It is a highly textured exterior protective coating, and people have been going nuts with it. It launched about a month ago, and I've seen it on all sorts of different vehicles. We offer it in 12 different colors. However, if you take a look at the peelable body armor launch video, it's unmistakable. There's one question that people continue to ask. They want to see a color shifting peelable body armor. I don't know why, but they're asking enough. We're going to do it. Now, you can't put a color shifting pearl into peelable body armor. There's not enough clarity. It simply doesn't work. Believe me, we've tried. The only way to do this is to take satin next gen top coat, which will match the peelable body armor's sheen level, put a hypershift directly into that, and then layer that on top of the body armor. Right here we've got our S4. It's got black peelable body armor on it. Don't do this. We're just doing it for fun. And the reason why you shouldn't do this is because if you put satin top coat on top of peelable body armor, you're going to lose all of the protective benefits of the peelable body armor. This stuff is way tougher than our normal dip. And I just don't want you guys to waste your money. So today we are using this. This is ZTH Hypershift. It is our wildest Hypershift. Go big or go home, right? Thank you, sir. So we're going to do 25 grams of ZTH right under here. And my lovely assistant Gabe will remind us what color tones you see in ZTH.
All of them.
Well done. So let's get this mixed up. I know that there's some pinks. I know that there's some purples. I know that there's some blues, there's some greens, and even some ambers. How that's going to translate to a highly textured, peelable body armor finish,
I don't know.
So let me get the stick of truth out here and show you a little preview of our ZTH. You can see a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of this. I wonder if the texture on the body armor is going to enhance the shifting, because instead of a flat surface, you've got all these different contours and more surface areas and angles for the pearls to get caught in and for light to reflect off of.
Or light not to hit it.
We don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to start it right now. All right, guys, we are all done with the project. You wanted to see a color-shifting body armor car. I present to you a color-shifting body armor car. Now, I am not saying that this is a good idea. If you wanted to use the peelable body armor, I would much rather you get all of the benefits and use one of the 12 awesome colors that it already comes in. But you guys wanted to see it, so here we are. I'm gonna bring it outside right now. You know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. Now, if you wanna use peelable body armor, change the color of your car, your emblems, your wheels, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, and they are all do-it-yourself friendly. Even though this was a weird one, Gabe and I had a blast doing it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.